Second try, ready? Second try. No, rebound. There's a foul. May foul pero white ball. White ball. Okay. Okay, number 7. Number 7. Damian. Sebo. Sebo po tayo. Ito na po ang ating second game. 13 and under division. Division B na po. Division B. Kita niya naman, katakat na. Mas matanakan pa sa akin. Mas matanakan pa sa akin. Stolen by Rocky. Rocky! Using by the hand. Muntik na. Nakuha yung number 7. 7, Damian. Pass to number 11. Pass! No! Ito ba Rocky? Rocky, umiliba mo. Napakabilis ni number 28 players. Using by the hand.
Saan ba isa nga? Dalawa lang yun.
Yeah.
Sila. Labos na player.
Number 9, go! Number 9. Galing ba tulibon? Oh! Offensive foul. Illegal screen. Illegal screen yan. Listen po sa ating coaches and our referees. They will teach you the proper. Yan. Alam na nila ngayon kung paano ang proper defense for screening. Number 2, Sakto Domingo. Sakto Domingo, may internet po. Sakto Domingo. Domingo's Cafe. Pasa Damian. Damian. There's a ball. It's a 3 seconds violation. Okay? Players don't stay inside the shaded area for a long time. Yan, para po. Hindi po kayo matawagan ng 3 seconds violation. Okay, blue ball. Blue ball na ba? And defense ng white. Reyes. Kung pag-dribble niya na doon ako ba? Reyes! Reverse na lima. Sakto Domingo. Kamari. Naribaw. Number 14. Pushing down. Sebo. Defense blue. White ball. Number 7. No. Two free throws for number 7, Damian. Our score is 4-0. First free throw. Basket. Nakapuntos na ang mga nakaputi. 4-1. Kids, yung mga nasa ilalim ng court, ano po kayo dyan? Careful po kayo dyan. Ingat-ingat, baka tama kayo dyan ng bola. Santo Domingo, 10 seconds to shoot. Santo Domingo using the left. No. Rebound by the blue team. Number 20, Boom. Sa kalaban. Nakuha number 2. Number 2, Santo Domingo. There's a foul on jersey. Number 20. Second personal foul. Ipan, dalawa ka lang. First try. Wala. Okay, here. Sensitive pa. Ready for something? Second try. No. Rebound. Blue team. Number 20. Rebound by number 7, Damian. Damian. Pinupili Reyes. Damian. Same ball. Sam. Simon muna. Simon! White team. Back to the ball game. For our first quarter, alas ko natin 4-1 in favor of the blue team. Ayan sa ating mga parents, maraming salamat po for your support sa inyong mga kids and for supporting NGB Tigers. Meron po tayong Facebook page and Instagram. Ganun din, meron po tayong YouTube channel. Search nyo lang po, NGB Tigers. Back to the ball game, Coach Bobby. Sarmiento. Back to the ball game. Division B po ito, 13 under. NGB Tigers. White, Damian. Damian, didiskarte. Damian. Same ball. 14 seconds. Shot clock. 14 shot clock for the white team. 14 shot clock. Teo. Inbound ball. Defense blue. Ready? Ready, defense? Number 2. Last touch. 32, ang 7. Si Demian. Bonus shot. Torres. Grabe Reyes. Sa kanya alos lago. 6 points. May bonus shot. Magaling din. Oo nga, galing kumalik na. Sige po, magbukasin po yung pinibag sa rebound. Tumama sa blue. White ball sa substitution. But our teammate out number 32 and 23. Substitute sa blue. Substitution. Pasok pa kalinaw. And Leonel. Out number 14 and 20. Tayo mo na. 4 minutes and 40 seconds on the first quarter. White ball. Yan, pumasok na si Gap. Gap. Part 2. Daniel. And a foul. 2 free throws yan. Foul number 12. Leonel. 2 free throws for Damian. First strike. Wala. Second right out. Damian. Wala. In and out. Rebound. Blue. Pass to the long man. Damian. Stolen. Pass to Aki. Aki, bibis natin. Aki. Grabe ka namin dribble na ito ulit. Bola mo. Dahil pa ako. Aki. Pasa. Recover. Pasa ulit. Ang ganda na din sa Daniel. Number 7. Number 2. Santo Domingo. And a foul. Good free throw. Coming up.
Wala.
Stop number 7. Number 7. Demian. Number 9. Go. Subito score. Santo. Subito. First try. Wala. Second try. Maikot na kaya. Matapit na kaya ang kalamangan ng mga naka-blue. Our score is 6-1 in favor of blue team. Second try basket is blue. One possession blue. Go. Looking for Aki. No. Goes inside. Fire. Putik na. Rebound. Blue pa rin. Basket by number 12. Rebound. White. Okay, back to
Abel.
Robin violation. Ball will stay in the white team. 3 minutes and 8 seconds.
Inbounder, oh, inbounder.
Marco for the inbound.
Ayun, si Kevin.
Marco. Pass to Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo, late free throw. Ring the red. Ang gagaling. Aki, being guarded by number 25. Aki. Grabe. Ayun na ako dito. 10 with 2 minutes remaining. First personal foul and first number 2. 2 free throws for Aki. Grabe. Aki, first try, no. Our score is 10-4 in favor of the blue team. Sobra na yung blue. Okay, yan. Aki, second try. Madagdagan kaya. Second try, yes sir! Teo, for the inbound. Pass to Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo. Being guarded by Bo. Back to play. Out of bounds. Out of bounds for Sabet. Number 18. 20, number 20 out. Okay. Wala na blue. Go.
Hindi nagko-cover eh.
Galing din ang tuloy ko. Go. Biglang tumira. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. White ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds sa ating first quarter. Sakto Domingo. Sakto Domingo. Ang score natin 11-4 in favor of the blue team. Sakto Domingo. Kumaliwan. Sakto lagi. Ang pinagagi. Tawag lang sa goal. Pakaliyaw. Pass to. Rodriguez. Go. Again. Jamie. Foul. And one play. Four. Number 8. Palagay na number 12. Dalawa na yata yan. "56 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Ball shot coming out from number 8. Pero Diaz. Madagdagan kaya. Kalaman. Pero Diaz. Fires. Isa na yan. Rebound. Go. And one player. Marco. Rebound. No. Rebound. That's a foul. 2 free throws coming up for number 12. 2 shots for Gab. Gab. 2 free throws. First try. In and out. Tignan. Second try. For Kuya Gab. 46 seconds remaining. First period. Second try pala. Rebound. Santo Domingo again. Domingo. Wala. Rebound. Blue team. Nano. Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo. Apex single. With 12 seconds. Shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot for the white team. Ang score natin, 13-4 in favor of the blue team. Muli po, ito na po ang ating second game for our